Welcome to Twin State Technical Services Windows 10 training presented by Evan Furness. If any part of this training you would like to pause or rewind, please feel free to. This Windows 10 training will take you through turning on the PC all the way through the desktop. When you turn it on, you're going to come to the first lock screen that you see here. From before, in Windows 7, it said press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. This generally is not present in Windows 10, but there are a few ways that you can proceed to log into the computer. You can still press Ctrl-Alt-Delete to get rid of the screen. You can also press Enter or generally any key on the keyboard, or you can hit left click and slide the screen up. After unlocking the computer, you'll come to one of two login screens. One will either say Other User or it'll say your name. In this case, it says Evan Furness. If it says Other User, simply enter your username in the first box and your password in the second box, and then press Enter or the little arrow key next to the password box to proceed. If it says your name, just simply enter your password, press Enter, or hit the little arrow next to the password box to proceed. On the screen, you'll also see a shutdown and restart button in the bottom right-hand corner, along with a Wi-Fi and internet status. After logging in, you'll come to the Windows 10 desktop pictured on the top left. You can see that there's a lot of similarities to the Windows 7 desktop that's pictured directly below it. The chart on the right shows common things between Windows 7 and Windows 10 and what their updated pictures look like. The start menu, you can notice, became a lot simpler with a white and black square. Internet Explorer has become Microsoft Edge with the new simple blue E. File Explorer, which is used to get to your files, your shared drives, that sort of thing, now is a little bit simpler. The system tray for your internet status, if you're on a laptop, your battery, that sort of thing, still is in the same exact spot in the bottom right hand corner and still contains a lot of the same features. Windows 10 now adds a notifications bar, which is shown by a little message looking box in the bottom right hand corner. This will tell you new emails and that sort of thing. And then also in Windows 10 they added a search bar directly in the taskbar. Using this, you can find files, programs, and anything inside of Windows 10 that you'll need. From the desktop, you can click on the Start menu and scroll through all of your programs and some folders on your system. The Start menu is a great resource for finding any of your programs quickly. The Start menu also can be right-clicked on. This gives you a different menu. This menu provides a lot of device settings that you may use in day-to-day operations. One of these operations is shutting down the computer. When you right-click on the Start menu, you can then hover over Shut Down or Sign Out, and then click on Shut Down to complete the shutdown of your device. Next up is signing out of the PC. If you left-click on the Start menu button, you will notice a person icon at the top of the left-hand menu. Left-click, and then click Sign Out. From the Start menu, like we noticed earlier, you can open many different programs. To do this, just left-click on the Start menu, scroll through, find the program that you'd like, and left-click, and it will open. Down by the Start menu, you have the search bar. The search bar is one of Windows 10's most useful add-ons. The search bar allows you to either hit the Windows key or click on it, and then quickly type whatever program you're looking for, and open it by pressing Enter or clicking on the program in the search results. This allows you to quickly find any program on your computer and open it with ease. Next is the PC settings. Simply clicking on the Start menu in the bottom left-hand corner and then clicking on the gears icon allows you to open up the Windows settings. From here you can find personalization settings, app settings, network and internet settings, and more. On the other side of the taskbar, there's a little rectangle in the bottom right-hand corner that when left-clicked will execute a minimize everything. which will safely store all your open programs down in your taskbar while allowing you to access icons on your desktop. In Windows 10, closing programs works a lot like Windows 7. Clicking on the X in the top right-hand corner of any program allows you to close that program, or you can right-click on the open program in the taskbar and then simply click Close the program. The File Explorer in Windows 10 functions a lot like it did in Windows 7. The icon located on the taskbar looks like a file folder. Simply click on this and then you will see a window open that looks like the one on the right hand side of the screen. One of the major changes to the File Explorer in Windows 10 is that My Computer is now named This PC. This is highlighted in red. The functionality of this PC is exactly the same as My Computer, and it contains all of your local documents, your desktop, your downloads, music, pictures, and videos. Next, in the File Explorer in Windows 10, they added a kind of home toolbar at the top of the File Explorer. This toolbar gives you a lot of the same functionalities as the right-click button of the mouse, but it simply puts it at the top of your screen for easy access. I personally do not use this function, but it is notable nonetheless. The Windows 10 File Explorer also brought over the Recent Items feature in Windows 7. However, this is renamed to Quick Access and is located in the top left of the File Explorer. Underneath Quick Access, you will see 4 folders that you have recently used, but to the right, in the open window of Quick Access, you'll find frequent folders that you have recently used, and then also the last 20 files that you have saved. A major difference in Windows 10 with Office products is that there's no longer a folder in the Start menu labeled Microsoft Office that contains all of your Office programs. The best way in Windows 10 to find your Office products is to use the search function in the bottom left hand of the screen. In the right hand side of this screen, you can see me quickly sorting through all the different Office products using the search bar, switching from Excel to Outlook to Microsoft Word simply by just typing their names into the search bar. Windows 10 is a great operating system that is just a minor jump from Windows 7. Many of the things that you will notice are just graphical changes in the interface. From us at Twin State Technical Services, we'd like to thank you for viewing this presentation. If you have any questions regarding Windows 10, feel free to call the help desk at 563-441-1504 or visit our website for more information.